Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. With a juicy steak, a grilled chicken breast or pork chop, it is always nice to serve a lovely side dish along with it, but it has to be the right dish to complement the protein. Potatoes are usually a good choice, but besides steamed or baked, they can be other delicious options, like this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Tex-Mex potatoes. This recipe is very easy to prepare, and the results are so flavorful. It's not really a spicy potato dish, although you can make it as hot as you want. This is a tasty side dish that you'll enjoy making often this summer. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Here I have about 20 assorted baby potatoes that are scrubbed, washed, and ready to go. So in a medium pot, we'll add some coarse sea salt to the water, then the potatoes, and we'll bring them to a boil. We'll cook them for about 10 to 13 minutes or until just tender. We don't want to cook them all through because they'll go in the oven. The best way to find out is to poke a few of them with a fork, and if it goes in with a little resistance, they are ready. So we'll remove from the heat and transfer them to a colander to drain for a few minutes. After the potatoes have cooled off, we'll slice them to about ½ inch thick. Next, on a baking sheet lined with a large, lightly greased foil, we'll transfer our sliced potatoes. To this, we'll add onions, red peppers, as well as poblano peppers. Using our clean hands, we'll toss the vegetables until mixed. We'll also add pressed garlic, your favorite barbecue seasoning. Now, if you'd like to know which one I use, visit the blog. Some freshly ground black pepper, a few drops of hot sauce, and finally, pieces of butter evenly distributed. We'll fold the foil over so it's tightly sealed. Then we'll transfer to a 400-degree preheated oven or a barbecue and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Halfway through cooking, we'll give a good stir so the bottom doesn't burn, plus it gives a chance to mix the seasonings. We'll carefully refold the foil and return the potatoes for the time remaining. When they're done, usually mine takes only 35 minutes, we'll remove from the heat and transfer them to a large bowl. And my friends, this is our Tex-Mex potatoes. This is a beautiful and flavorful side dish that pairs so well with grilled meats. It is a nice change from ordinary potatoes, plus it is visually so appetizing. I'm sure this side dish will be a hit at your backyard party this summer. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!